Getting started with Duolingo parental controls.
The parental controls in Duolingo help you create a safe, age-appropriate learning environment for children. Whether your child is just starting or already learning a language, setting up these controls ensures they have rewarding experiences while staying protected online. In this guide, you'll learn how to enable and customize parental controls on Duolingo's app to suit your child's needs.
Creating a kids account on Duolingo.
Begin by downloading the Duolingo app or visiting the website. Set up a new account using your child's birth date and a secure password. If your child is under 13, Duolingo automatically restricts features to comply with privacy rules. Make sure to use an email address you monitor, so you can manage settings and receive updates about your child's language progress.
Accessing parental settings on Duolingo.
Once the account is set up, go to the Settings menu. On mobile, tap the profile icon, then the gear icon. Look for a section labeled Parental Controls or Family Settings. Here, you can control various aspects of the account, from restricting message features to limiting daily learning time, depending on your child's age and your preferences.
Customizing safety and privacy features.
In the Parental Controls menu, you can set time limits, restrict access to social features like following or messaging, turn off streak notifications, and block the Duolingo forums. For younger learners, it's recommended to keep communication features disabled and limit interactions with other users for greater privacy.
Reviewing progress and making adjustments.
Regularly check your child's progress from your own Duolingo account or through connected family features. You can adjust settings as your child grows more confident, or if you want to encourage more independence. Remember, parental controls aren't set and forget. Review them occasionally to make sure they're still suitable for your child's learning journey.
Final tips for safe and fun language learning.
Encourage your child to ask questions if they're unsure about anything in the app. Use parental controls as one tool to help guide their experience and discuss online safety together. With these settings in place, Duolingo can be a powerful and enjoyable way for kids to explore new languages and cultures.